Hello and welcome to About 6 Acres. I'm Juana.
And I'm Nick.
And today we get to talk about our Sebastopol goslings. As you might know, back in May we hatched 2 Sebastopol goslings and they are gorgeous, just growing up so fast. So cute. But I know that we've been wondering, and a lot of you have been wondering, what did they wind up being?
Are they boys? Are they girls? Are they one of each?
Today we get to find out. So exciting!
It's gender reveal day.
We've never done a gender reveal. This wasn't a thing when we
so
were...
it could be a total bust or it can be fun.
Yeah, come along with us. So when we got Sean and Gus, we were hoping that we would be able to find girls for them within the year. We were hoping that for mating season, they would have a couple, and boy, did that not work out. We got on waiting lists, and we were disappointed to find out that most of the ones that we made it through were ones that we wouldn't know if they were female or male. And it was just too much of a risk for us to take, we felt, for the expense. So we kept hoping that we would be able to get some sexed ones, so ones that we knew were female. And when that didn't pan out, we stepped it into gear this year and did plan B, which was getting eggs and hatching them ourselves. We figured that we'd have the same chance of getting a male as we would a female, but it was a little bit easier on our wallet. If we get 2 males, the cost would not be as exorbitant. If we got a male and a female, we knew we were going to have to make tough choices because 1 to 3 males was not going to be a good thing. And if we got 2 females, that would be great, and we could continue our quest to add more girls. So from everything we've read, the ideal number for Sebastopol geese are 3 females to 1 male. Clearly, we would be quite a way off even if they were both females. Our goslings have been getting so big and we're so excited about them. Now for the coloring, we think that we have 1 of each. So the first one in the front we think is going to be a buff or tan color, and the one in the back we think is going to be more of a gray or that bluish color. So they're not going to be the bright white that we have with Sean and Gus. And now for the fun that we've all been waiting for. I set up a balloon and put confetti in it, and hopefully you'll be able to see the color, but we'll find out. I have chickens all around me, so they may freak out when it pops.
So if it has blue and pink in it, that means we have 1 boy and 1 girl. If it's got all blue, they're both boys. If it's all pink, they're both girls.
So tell me, what do you think it's going to be?
1 and 1.
1 boy, 1 girl?
Yes.
You've said that from the beginning because one was bigger than the other.
Yes.
What do you think it is? Let us know in the comments. If you pause right now and do like the little timestamp, let us know what you think it's going to be. I kind of was with you. I honestly thought it was going to be 1 boy, 1 girl. And then the more we see them interact with Sean and Gus, the more concerned I got that they were all going to be boys. Because they get along fairly well most of the time, but I'm like, is there like some boy thing going in there? And I'm just not sure. And then I started to read that if you have like boys and girls, that the girls won't go in the pool as much, but they're not going in the pool as much. None of them are. So I'm like, I really just don't know. So, ready to find out?
Yes.
Yes? All right. We're going to do 3, 2, 1. You're going to pop it, Nick. And then I don't know if you're going to be able to see the colors.
Yeah. We'll have to stop the video and then zoom in on the colors.
But that's okay because this is fun. Isn't this fun? Let's do it.
A pin. What's better? Underneath, top, bottom? I don't know.
You're just holding for effect.
All right. Be careful, little dude.
I think the chicken is going to freak out.
You going to freak out, buddy?
Do you think you could move? Yes.
You want to pop it?
You are my sweetie pie. Can you pop it? This is my sweet rooster. So we got a lot of male vibes with everything that we've hatched. Yeah. I'm going to put you back, okay? You're so sweet. Go with your phone.
I got the pin.
All right. So let's try this for real. 3, 2, 1. Did you catch the color? Let me show you.
It's all pink.
All of it is pink.
We have girls.
Yes, I am so excited about this. So I don't know if you believe that in a million years. We've had so many boy vibes going on here. Literally, we hatched 7 chickens and 6 of them turned out to be roosters. So we've all the boy vibes. We just, like I said, I started second guessing myself and going, we're going to have a bunch of boys. And to be honest, I started second guessing the DNA results and going, are we sure that they're really girls?
The DNA test says they're girls.
Yes.
So we're going to stick by that.
Yes, but let's find out their names because that's always part of the fun.
The older ones are Sean and Gus. And if you know what those names mean, congratulations on you. You win a pineapple.
They are named after the show Psych. So, fabulous duo, Sean and Gus. And so let's find out what gosling number 1, what her name is. And so gosling number 1 is going to be the grayish colored, like the bluish colored one.
Yeah, so the little larger one, yeah, that's got the gray.
And Gus is a little bit larger. The funny part is we really don't know which one is going to gravitate to who.
We hope it works out according to the show. So if you don't know the show, watch it. Highly recommend. Hilarious.
Highly, highly recommend. And so gosling number 1, her name is going to be
Mira. Gaffney. Mira. It's her first name. Mira.
So that's going to be the bluish colored one, the bluish gray. And then if you know the show, you know that the main love interest of Sean is
Juliet. Juliet O'Hara.
Juliet O'Hara.
So hopefully it works out. So hopefully Sean and Juliet meld together.
And Mira and Gus meld together. But this is going to be the buff colored one, so the tannish looking one. She is going to be Miss Juliet, and then of course we have Miss Mira. And Mira is crazy, so I'm going to love Mira a lot. I could just tell. So we're so excited. Again, we appreciate you coming along with the hatching experience. That was a lot of fun. A lot of you have been commenting, and we're so grateful for that. If you haven't seen that video yet, there's 2 of them. Please be sure to watch them. And if you have watched them, we're so excited to share this moment with you.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll have more goose eggs in the future.
Thank you so much for watching.
And as always, you're awesome and you are loved.
Until next time.